JD 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And we're going to do the secret of this mechanism. I'm going to do a short video on how to do the rotating part mechanism of this kit. And stay tuned. Okay, a key component is step number 2, which is putting the skeleton on top, because it has the hook right here for the rubber band. So we're going to put that on top and glue it on top right there. Back side, we used the paper clip as a regular paper clip, and we bent it over and snapped it over like that. See, like that. We rolled the paper clip back one turn, and we hooked 2 rubber bands on the end of that. I have some Gorilla Tape right here ready to go to close off both the halves, because we're not going to glue it in case we have to do maintenance on it in the future. So let's see if we can do this, put this together here. So we got the rubber bands, we got this, it's got to go in this slot right here of the pin. I'll hold that down like that. And you got to get this down here onto that skeleton and hold this together like that. Then you put this on top, okay, together. Hopefully you can get it together. Gotta hold it together. And see the skeleton's coming off. He's not glued down enough. Okay, like that. Let's see. I'm going to take some tape here, and I'm going to put tape on the ends to hold the 2 halves together, like right here. Okay. And we could just paint right over that. So, see, like that. Get the thing together. And we got to do the same at the top. So we cut this piece in half without cutting our finger, and put a piece right there to hold it together. Okay. And a piece, if I don't screw the tape up. And I messed the tape up. Okay, so we're going to put the other half on this side, like that, underneath, like right there. Come over this side. See the mechanism? Okay, like that. Okay. And we're going to leave it till the morning. So you're supposed to be able to turn it and see how that's winding up there. See how it's winding up? So you turn it to the right, and we're going to put a clamp on this. Take a clamp and put it on the skeleton to hold him on while the glue dries around that. We are almost there. We got to do this plate down here and put this together. This goes on top of there like that, and we've got to run some elastic, small elastic there, and then put it on the end. So I'll show you that tomorrow. So this is the end plate for this down here, right here, and we put the elastic. You run the elastic from here around here up to the hook, and it makes that springing action like that. Okay, and that goes on the end right here. You'll see in the instructions. I also super glued the skeleton on more to make sure he's on there and he won't come loose. Okay, so we're going to take some tape here. Hopefully we'll get some tape here in. Kind of a long piece. I'm going to measure it like that. Cut it off. And we're going to place it evenly on the board. This is a cutting board. Like that. Okay. Put this tape to the side. And let's measure the width of this. It's about 10 millimeters. And a little extra 2 on each side. So 10 millimeters with extra 2 on each side. Get the cutter. And we'll say about 15 millimeters. So right about there. And we'll follow it all the way up, cut it if we can, and see if that cut through. Maybe a little bit uneven, but that's pretty good. I'll show you what I'm doing here. And we're going to take these off right here. Hopefully, like this. Goes all the way on the other side. And we want to put this along the edge like this, like that, to keep it together like this. You see what I'm going for? So it doesn't show up at the, what do you call it, on the top too much, just on the sides. So let's get the scissors here and cut this off down there. So about 15 millimeters each side for the tape. I'm going to put it in on the side. It'll hold it together. So let's get rid of this tape here and cut another 15 millimeters off of this board if we can from this side, because we've got an uneven side here. So we're looking at let's see, this line right here. Okay, so we have to follow that line down, and your knife will wander if it's not sharp enough, like mine just did. Okay, so want to take this side off without breaking anything. Okay, because it's got to keep it together. And we take the tape and we put it right along the edge like this. Okay, and then we cut it off at the end down here like that. So that'll keep the sides together, and you'll be able to paint it. Like, and then if you ever want to fix the inside, the rubber band, you just peel this away, this black part, this tape, and you got the inside to replace the rubber bands. Get in there, replace the rubber bands. So let's clean up here and get rid of some of this tape here and some of these tools. Put this over here. Get moving along here. And we left off at this part right here. Okay, so let's look at this and see if this will go through. Let's see. Yeah, that should work pretty good. There's still a space there, so it should flip. Okay. that over there. Just put that in. So got this and these two pieces left here, and you got to put this on, this plate on right here like this. Okay, like that. You got to put the plate on. Okay, and see how the rubber band is run. And then this little cog here, or cam. It's actually a cam. This is a cam. Okay, you have to put the cam on correctly. And let's look in the picture. And it looks like the cam goes only one way. Like that. Goes like that on there. Sorry, the camera's moving around, guys. So let's see if we can get this to turn. So we got the key here. I don't know if we can do it outside the casket itself. Let's see, that doesn't want to turn. I don't know why. With that cam on. It says the cam goes on this way. Goes on top. Cement here, blah blah blah. I'm gonna turn this off for a little while. I'll be back. Okay, so we snapped this piece in here right here, and on both sides, and let's see, we wound it up this way. So let's see if we release it. Oh, it does turn. So it's got to be wound up a little bit tighter. So let's put it like that. It says up to 50 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pull the key out. Oh, it works. We got it working. Okay, guys. So about 20 times. So let's see, it's turning. So I'm very happy about this. I don't know how to explain it, but I did the first kit. I messed it up, as you know, in the other video. And this is the one you should watch, this video. Okay? And that's how you put the cam in. Make sure this is snapped in. This piece right here. See how it turns? We're going to put the, what do you call it? The vampire on this side. Let's release that. See how the rubber band is like that. So look at that. We actually got it to work. I'm very happy about that. I would say about 20 times to get it to do its thing. So this is the video for today. I thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions about putting this mechanism together, please leave your comment below. Please see my other videos and my cooking channel as well, and have a great day.